morning, Alex.
Good morning.
How's it going?
Good.
Good. You have got the Jay Spinjitzu Master Lego set.
From Toys R Us.
Toys R Us, that's right. We went to Toys R Us today, picked up a bunch of new little sets. Or I should say you guys did, with your own money.
I picked up 2 different sets, and the other set I'm going to be building later on is a Star Wars set.
Cool. Alright, well let's talk about this one. So this is the Jay Spinjitzu, like we said. And it comes with Jay, it has a spinner, it's got a pretty cool stand. I told Alex, I was watching some videos last night, and this is the coolest stand that any of these sets come with, so I'm really, really excited to see how that turns out. So this is just one of 6 that you can possibly buy.
The third one we know.
Now you ready to do this? Yep. Alright, well here we go. Alright, bud, so you are done.
Yep.
Very cool. So, I gotta say, this Jay, it's sweet.
Yeah.
This Jay weapon stand, just as sweet.
Here's the back to the J.
Nice. And look at that before, that's really cool.
Pigman broke.
And I like how everybody but Lloyd has a new bottom mask for the Spinjitzu.
Oh, the torso.
Yeah.
That's cool. Can you put that in there and show us how it flies? Or it doesn't fly?
It doesn't fly. It does. You might need to look at some other places besides this.
Don't BB-8.
Alright, dude. Thanks again for sharing. This is really cool. I'm glad you guys picked up all these sets today at Toys R Us.
I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but it's basically Jay's nunchucks.
I see that. Very sweet.
That go from here. And if you guys have seen the LEGO Ninjago movie, you know what the temple, you know what the ultimate weapon is for Jay.
That's it. Yep. Alright, bud. Thank you very much for sharing.
Yep. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and help us get to over 1,000 subscribers.
You got it. Let's do that.